Hello, this is Group 15. Our project is a replacement of Railroad Bridge over West Broad Street in Stratford, Connecticut. My name is Abdul Ahmad.
My name is Evan Merdzuk.
My name is Fred Torres.
My name is Matthew Torres.
Our sponsor for the project was Connecticut Department of Transportation. The sponsor has identified 5 open deck bridges between Bridgeport and Stratford that need to be replaced over a 3-mile stretch. Open decks will be replaced with ballast decks to increase track speed. Our design process will include load calculations, load patterns, and moment calculation designed for flexure and lateral torsional buckling member selection. Load calculations will include dead load, live load, and wind load. Our ASD load combos will be 2 and 6.
For the moment calculation, we started by adding a distributed load to the stringers that accounted for the dead load, the live load, and the wind load. That distributed load gave us a moment that will be on the stringers, as well as the reactions on the stringers that will flow into the floor beams. The floor beams are designed as having 2-point loads as from the reactions of the stringers. Then the floor beams flow into the girders, which have 3-point loads onto them. We can then use these maximum moments later on in the design process for member selection. We then check our lateral torsional buckling because our unbraced length is shorter than the minimum unbraced length for these members.
When deciding our member selection for our bridge, for stringers, floor beams, and girders, we decided to look at locations of impact and no impact to decipher best and worst case. For stringers, we got a selection of W1426. Floor beam, we got W21 by 48. And girder, we got W36 by 182. When deciding our cost estimation, we created a bill of materials for this project, and our cost per measures were looked up in RS means data. And that gave us a total of $121,004. And the DOT provided us with an estimating manual that had a replacement of bridge superstructure estimate, which came out to $591,300.
The sponsor has requested a plan of construction sequencing for the replacement of the bridge. First, we would start with the maintenance and protection of traffic in the highly congested area. Next would be the demolition of the existing bridge. Next would be the inspection of the substructure of the bridge. Following that would be the installation of the pre-constructed steel component of the bridge. Then it would be to create a cast for the concrete ballasted deck, as well as pouring the concrete. Next, we will add stone to the ballasted deck. And finally, it would be the installation of railroad tracks and ties, connecting them with the existing tracks on both sides of the bridge. As you can see, the bridge is long overdue for a replacement, and the proposed ballasted deck will allow for a greater track speed. Thank you for your time.